Hardik Pandya is known in the cricketing world for his all-round performance with the bat and the ball. He is an exceptional batsman and a skilled bowler. He carries an attitude which oozes with confidence whenever he comes out to bat or is given the ball. He is the new generation player who likes to dominate the opposition and takes the game away from them very quickly. In a short span of a cricketing career, he has been in the news for wrong reasons, but that never affected his on-field performance. Rather, he performed much better after any controversy. We have jotted down a few pointers about his personality which are admirable and how we can use the same in our life. The first thing which we can learn from Hardik Pandya is he is fearless. Structurally, he is not the strongest person in the world, yet he hits sixes effortlessly. He likes to play shots without fear, and his natural attacking game made him the most feared batsman in the world. His confidence in playing those big shots makes him the most prized wicket for the bowler. He fearlessly applies himself to the game and perform at his best in any given day. Do we work with fear in our mind? We need to work fearlessly. Only then we will be confident about our capabilities. Only the confident will be able to execute his duties effectively and efficiently and become successful in his career. Work fearlessly is the mantra provided by Hardik Pandya, which is inherently the most important pointers of life. The second thing which we can learn from Hardik Pandya is he is very multi-talented. Hardik Pandya is a skilled cricketer and performs in every role: batting, bowling and fielding. He is exceptionally good in all the areas and currently is the only genuine all-rounder in the Indian team. He plays effortless shots and bowls effectively to restrict the opposition. He has many bowling variations and powerful batting along with agile fielding capability, making him the preferred choice for an all-rounder. Are you multi-talented? We are mostly content with the skills that we possess and feel we can go through life with these. We fail to develop other skills which may be useful to reach the top of the management ladder. There is no way to reach the top other than acquiring new skills and add value to your team and family. The third quality of Hardik Pandya is he is very outspoken. Outspoken is a good quality to have if you know when to stop. Hardik Pandya is very outspoken but sometimes is carried away and lands into trouble. His infamous interview on Coffee with Karan was widely criticized and he was sent back from the Australian tour. He has changed since then and now let the bat and ball do the talking. We can learn from Hardik that when you paid price for being outspoken, you come back and let your skills do the talking. Being outspoken, you speak your heart out and have nothing to hide. It's good quality and show your genuine attitude. So, be outspoken whenever required and be controlled while being outspoken. The fourth thing which we can learn from Hardik Pandya is to enjoy life. Hardik Pandya is a style icon and enjoys life to the fullest. Off the field, he is a different character and believes in enjoying life to the fullest. In life, we are so occupied in the routine of life that we forget to live our life. So when we are not on the job, we should always try to live life to the fullest by spending quality time with the family and friends. Enjoy life and laugh unreasonably and create memories for your life. So in a short span of his cricketing career, Hardik Pandya has shown us many ways to lead life and to control ourselves when we are overboard. I am sure there are many feathers which will be added to his career and he will become more mature and calm as he grows in life and cricket.